selling beats or streaming on Spotify is your only way to make money.
A lot of musicians, music producers, they really don't know this, and we are going to be touching on some of the most important things that you can do today, that will change a lot of things that you already have going on. Music producers for one, and musicians, upcoming music producers, if there's any word like that, emerging music producers and emerging songwriters, artists can start making a living. You can start living in the better side of town. You can start, taking care of a family. If you already have a family, you can start doing that from the level you are right now. You don't have to get the number one on Billboard or get the number one, to start earning a living as a musician. So those are the things that we'll be talking about in this video, how you can start leveling up, where you can start making, some good thousands of dollars, from the level you are. Let's get straight into it after the intro. Why? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and I am a music producer, DJ, and a songwriter from Lagos, Nigeria, with so much credit to my name in the Afrobeat world. And this is to tell you that the Krizbeatz Music Academy is currently ongoing right now, which is my school. You can click below, the link below, to join the school, and also you can chat the admin from the website, from the school website, the WhatsApp there, to further get more information. There will be enough information on the website as to what's happening in the school. So this is one of the things that we also talk about in the school, how you can get signed up for stuff like this. So yes, there's a lot of ways that you can make money. We are leaving a lot on the table because we are only looking at those people that comes out to say, okay, yes, this is my life. This is the kind of life I'm living. This is how I'm able to get my Lamborghini. This is how I'm able to get. I mentioned Lamborghini now, everybody thinks I'm talking about Bonabo. So if you keep looking at those things and try to judge your wealth and try to judge your well-being by those things, you will be looking at the wrong thing, because what musicians don't tell you, what the top musicians don't tell you is there's such a thing as advance, which is a loan. A label will give you an advance of, let's say, $2 million advance that is recoupable to them. That is another video. I have a video coming on that will help you. So music producers, musicians look at that and say, okay, yes, if I'm able to get 1 million streams, then I might be successful, and 1 million streams, guarantees you less than, let's say, at most, if your stream is coming from the US, you get maybe $3,000 or $2,500 So as a music producer, as a musician in this day and age, you don't want that to be the only thing you are looking at for you to make a living, because what happens when only 10,000 people listen to your music? What happens when only 20,000 people listen to your music? So you call those things failure because you are not able to get it. Or what happens when only 2 people buys your $50 beats, on BeatStars? What happens when everything, they don't go according to the way you plan? So the way producers think of making money when it comes to music production is they only think of streaming on Spotify and maybe selling beats on BeatStars or Wow Sounds. So those are not the only way to make music. This changes everything. What we want to talk about now changes everything. If you start implementing from now, you will start seeing results. So everyone talks about 2 routes when it comes to music, and especially for up and coming, for emerging artists or beat makers. We'll talk about 2 places to get beats, which is sell beats or stream. Is it that you're streaming or selling beats? So, but there's something beyond beats and streaming. There is something beyond beats and streaming, which is, I'm going to be listing other things that you can do that can make you money. And I will tell you point blank, if if I don't know if that's a good thing to do, I can put last year and the year before how much I made just by doing all these other things, without necessarily producing for artists. I'm always producing for artists because, of course, I am Krizbeatz. You are not yet Krizbeatz, so you might not be doing as much as you want to do. So some of you might even have other jobs that you do that, is supporting what you want to do. So the number one thing that you can do beyond selling beats and streams is sync licensing. Yes, let that sink in. Sync licensing. I'm going to be telling you what sync licensing is and how you can start. So for everything I'm telling you, I'm going to tell you, okay, you can do this, and then you can have your sync licensing work for you. So what do I mean? I think 2023, 2024, I did God's Calling. I did, I think I did 3 Amazon movies. There's one, Breath of Life. Yes, I did God's Calling. I did Breath of Life. The song, I might still put the song somewhere here where you'll be able to see it. I did 4 games that I don't even know about those things till now. And the least that you can get from one sync, the least is about $5,000. That's okay, small, that you did all the thing alone, but you got one small gig, is $5,000. And it goes up to, maybe like $500,000, and that is from one major gig. You can imagine that same music that you put on Spotify that you are waiting for people to stream that only has 10K streams. You can submit it to a sync licensing company, and these sync licensing companies, you have a deal with them. We'll still get into how to register and everything. So sync licensing, they place music in TV, in ads, in games, in movies, in films, anything, So how to start? You can join a sync licensing company, taxis, music gateways. You can register with a sync licensing companies like Song Trader, you see the name on the screen, Song Trader, Music Bed, Audio Socket, Score is Score. You can build a catalog of 3 to 9 seconds cues that gives them a clue of what the song will sound like and name it accordingly. Some of them even allows you to pick genre. The genre that you think this will work for. Fast-paced music. There are some movies coming that I don't know if I'm allowed to mention because that we've cleared already, that I've made music for, that will soon be coming out. And that is on top of my music. I'm still releasing music. So I don't just get into the studio and try to make beats for somebody to come and say, oh, we want it. I create with this in mind. And that's how you want to be able to do stuff like that. The second thing that you can do is to go into ghost production. Ghost production means so you can sing a song anonymously for somebody or produce anonymously for somebody. That one, you want to use an alias, like we have, but that's not so much anonymous anymore. We have how Celebobo used to be Celebobo as a musician, and Mix Monster as someone who mixed almost all the Davido record back in the day, So that is one of the other ways that you can make money. If you do both well, why not? And you are trying not to we have another amazing artist doing that right now, Kimwell. He's also a producer, and his producer name is Wonder. So Wonder has his own identity, has everything that Kimwell does not, So you can do stuff like that. Another way to also make money without having to release music on all these platforms that are choking you is to sell packs and presets. By the way, packs and presets are made available under this video for you to get that crispy vocals with stock plugins. 100% will be in this description. Thank you. Moving on. So selling digital products, you can sell stuff like drum kits, you can sell stuff like synth presets, build a bundle of maybe 30 to 20 quality loop presets and launch on Splice. You can use Gumroad. You can even use Paystack if you are in Africa. You can use Paystack. Paystack allows you to sell digital products. You can see the way. If you want me to make a video on how you can set up your Paystack shop to sell digital products, I would definitely do that for you. You can do stuff like that, and the good thing is Paystack is connected directly to your account or to your company's account you sell. If you are collaborating with some people, you can also do stuff that allows you to split money. Paystack allows you to split the money directly from there. So if let's say you were like 4 or 5 people that created a particular pack and you splitted a particular percentage on how much each person's will be getting, you can do that split from there and everybody's getting their own commission, just the way they split royalty checks for musicians and everything. So that will also give you a way, And the next one that you can do is to make tutorials, master classes. If you are so good, if you have a particular knowledge that you've created over time, that you've honed over time, you can start using that to make extra source of income. Organize master class, webinars and stuff for people. You can do like how I started doing, how I made this beat series. Like I said, I'm the first producer to ever have a big song, a world-class smashing song, and go on YouTube and wants to start showing people how I made it. Now you open YouTube, you see it everywhere. We thank God, which is one of the reasons why I started this page, to have another page where I can talk freely to people without my management wanting to know, okay, yes, you can't say this, you can say this. So I opened this to be able to say anything, anyhow, be anyone I want to be on this site. You can start that. The quick starts for that can be how I made this beat, how I monetize this thing. You can do it. You can even sell those courses on Udemy. Patrons, you can monetize on YouTube patrons. At the end of this year, I will show you how much YouTube has paid me from this channel, year in, year out. It's something that you can start doing and you can start building your audience from now. We'll still get into that. So the next thing that you can do is to offer mixing and mastering services. You can work for indie artists, work for independent artists, try to build a catalog, give them a good rate that allows them to be able to patronize you. That way you are building more stuff. This is while you're still doing every other thing that you are doing. Your YouTube tutorials can be streamlined into your Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook content. It is another way to make sure that you are using one thing to touch on every other thing that you are doing. Showcase before and after reels. There's a guy that I really love what he does on Instagram. You showcase people before and after when they use your presets or how you mix the song, how the song was before and how the song is after you mixed it with your stuff. I also do stuff like that on this channel. Another one that you can do is, after you must have built a particular type of audience, you can now start what we call sell merch and bundles, limited drops, limited edition. You can sell via your email list, and then you need to all gather email. You need to gather emails. I forgot to put that. Of course, as you are doing this and selling all these things, you are already gathering emails, from your customers. So here are 6 streams of incomes that you can start today without needing anybody to help you start it up. For sync licensing especially, you need to be on major platforms like Taxi, Music Gateway, Plus, Song Trader, Music Bed, Audio Socket, for you to be able to get those potential clients. If you are not a big fish yet, because most of all these things, I have an agency that I'm signed to that brings me the deal and say, okay, at the beginning of the year, we need to do this, we need to do that, we do camps, for sync licensing that I organize the opportunities for my students to be able to get camps, whether physical camps or online camps where we can brainstorm, make music. The way we make music online is I have access to your computer, you have access to my computer. You can use your mouse from wherever you are to control my computer, and I do the same, with my student every time we're having a one-on-one session. Another important thing to point out to you is you don't necessarily have to do all these things. You don't have to say, oh, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this. pick the one that suits your style, you know, prioritize and scale. You need to pick the one that better suits your style. Pick one new stream of income each week to research. So if it's sync licensing, pick sync licensing, research that week, dedicate one full week to knowing what you need to do about sync licensing, draft a mini plan, you know, that allows you to hone into it, to go deep into it. And then thirdly, reinvest your first hundreds of dollars, you know, in marketing or gear to make sure that you have the best things that you need to do. And also let me know comment below the one that you will be trying out this week, or let me know which streams of income that you pumped to try. So drop the comments below and I will, you know, check and let's interact with each other in the comment section. Let's be able to explore more. And yes, I will catch you in the next class. Yes, do watch any of the videos that is showing on the screen right now, as I will see you in the next class if you like. Love you.